Hello and welcome everybody, I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you, if I can, while battling these monsters in the night of the ice biome, I'm going to show you how to make a fishing potion, because that's what you clicked onto. At least I hope you know what you're clicking onto. Yeah, let's get on with this tutorial. You will need 1 bottle of water, 1 crispy honey block, and 1 water leaf to make this potion. To get a bottled water, you will need 1 glass to craft 2 bottles on a furnace. To craft those 2 bottles into bottled water, you will need to stand in any amount of water of any type and craft bottled water in the potion section. To get crispy honey, you will need to get honey to contact with lava. It will make crispy honey block just like water and lava makes obsidian. To get water leaf, you will need to find it growing in the desert you will need to find it growing on sand and swing your sword over it like a maniac and pick it up. As you can see, here's the fishing potion, consumable and increases fishing skill. This has an 8-minute duration and you craft this on an alchemy station. To craft an alchemy station, you simply place an empty bottle on a workbench. I apologize if you can hear my dogs in the background. We have somebody over and they really like people. So I'm gonna try and demonstrate this fishing potion at its finest, but what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be unable to fish, and my challenge to you, whoever is watching, is to tell me why can't I fish in mobile version, because I've fished plenty of times in console, but I can't fish in mobile. And I'll show you right here. So I'm going to drink the potion, of course. Drink. And as you can see, my joystick is moving around, but I don't see a fishing rod flailing around. And I'd like you to tell me why. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you really loved it, please be sure to subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell button to become part of my notification squad. This has been the GamePro232 teaching you how to make a fishing potion in Terraria, and I'm out.